Python 2.7 Counting number of dictionary items with given value. First question here, so I will get right to it. Using Python 2.7. I have a dictionary of items, the keys are an x, y coordinate represented as a tuple, x, y, and all the values are Boolean values. I am trying to figure out a quick and clean method of getting a count of how many items have a given value. I do not need to know which keys have the given value, just how many. There is a similar post here. How many items in a dictionary share the same value in Python? However, I do not need a dictionary returned, just an integer. My first thought is to iterate over the items and test each one while keeping a count of each true value or something. I am just wondering, since I am still new to Python and don't know all the libraries, if there is a better /faster /simpler way to do this. Thanks in advance.
This first part is mostly for fun. I probably wouldn't use it in my code. We'll get the number of true values. Of course, you can get the number of false values by len, d, sum, d.values. Slightly more generally, you can do something like. In this case, if x works just fine in place of if sum underscore condition, x, and is what most people would use in real-world code. Of the three solutions I have posted here, the above is the most idiomatic and is the one I would recommend. Finally, I suppose this could be written a little more cleverly. This is in the same vein as my first, fun, solution as it relies on the fact that true plus true equals 2. Clever isn't always better. I think most people would consider this version to be a little more obscure than the one above, and therefore worse.
If you want a data structure that you can quickly access to check the counts, you could try using a counter. As Gilson points out, this relies on the values themselves being hashable. You could then plug in a value and get the number of times it appeared.
Before scrolling down, listen to your items of comment.